everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I don't have a ton of items. It cost about $25 for everything. So in Canada, that's about 15 items because it is $1.25 here. And yeah, I thought that I would share with you guys the items that I picked up today. I was really going to check out their fall items. They didn't have really a lot of fall items at all, so I'm definitely going to have to make another visit in probably another week or two, but I'll show you what I did get. Alright, so let's get started. No particular order at all. I'm just going to start off with some treat food that I got. Picked up these Humpty Dumpty cheese sticks. These aren't new. They always have these at the dollar store. What is new at my dollar store are these hot rod packs. I've noticed that they've had these now for about a month and a half, at least at my dollar. I say dollar store, I do mean Dollar Tree. And I mean, these aren't the healthiest for you, but they're just so good. I'm addicted to these. So you get a pack of 5, not a bad deal. And I don't know if you can see the expiry. Sorry, I am recording in a completely different room today. This is my basement, so the lighting might be a little bit off, but the expiry is good on those items. So that's awesome. Now, from a kitchen perspective, I picked up another one of these brushes. I do love using these brushes for cleaning dishes, but I do also like to switch it out quite often. They're also great for putting in the dishwasher. I put mine in the dishwasher to clean all the time, and they don't melt or anything. I always put them on the top rack. Now, for a food perspective, this is a really great deal. So name brand mustard, Heinz. If you like mustard, you know these go for about $2.50 to $3 for one of these. So it is Heinz, and the expiry date on it is next year. So it's not like it's going to be expiring anytime soon. There we go. So November of next year. So Heinz yellow mustard. We love mustard in our household. I don't know if I included this in my last haul, but they also have name brand barbecue sauce, which is a great deal as well. Picked up some aluminum foil. So they do normally have like your regular standard aluminum foil, but this one is new at my Dollar Tree, and what it is, it's an extra large. I don't know if you see how long that is. It's really, really long. And it is 27 square feet, so 6 yards. So that's a really great deal, and same price as what you would pay for just the regular container. So I picked up that. And then the last kitchen item was this paddle cutting board, dishwasher safe. So that's great. It is double-sided. And I actually got that for a DIY that I'm going to be doing for fall. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you can check out those fun fall DIYs. I always do lots of DIYs around fall, Halloween, and Christmas. So that's going to be for a DIY. All right, so moving right along, if you're not new to my channel, you know that I'm all about the Dollar Tree nails. So I used to get my nails professionally done, and I have the worst luck with my nails. So I used to get acrylic nails, which are supposed to last you about 3 weeks, sometimes longer for people. But mine always come off about a week and a half to 2 weeks. So instead of paying $40 or however much it is, I use Dollar Tree nails, and I love them, and they last me about 3 to 4 days. If they pop off after 3 to 4 days, I can glue it back down and it will last me another like 2 to 3 days. So, and they don't easily pop off, guys. If you're worried like you're just gonna go out and they're gonna pop right off, it doesn't happen that way whatsoever. If mine come off, it's usually because I'm pulling and tugging on it. So yeah, I love, love, love these nails, and this is my absolute favorite brand right here. These are the ones that fit the best. So I picked up these ones, and then just plain pink. Yeah. And then for my daughter, I picked up some of these elastics. They have tons to choose from. They had, you know, hot colors, so like hot pink, hot orange, hot yellow. And then they had these more pastel colors. They also had just plain clear and white as well. But you get 750 of these. So I thought that was a really great deal. And then I only got 2 stationery items. So one are these sticky notes. I was running out of sticky notes, and I do use them quite often. And look how beautiful this is. I love, love, love this sticky note. It was the last one that they had. Super pretty. They had other ones that were really nice as well, but this was my favorite. So I like the little be positive, the colors, and the lines, which I thought was really, really awesome as well to have lines on there. So I picked that up. And then I picked up this dry erase board. So dry erase board, this was with all the school items. I really liked the pattern. Sorry for the glare. So I thought that was a really nice pattern. It is with a school supply item, so I guess for people to maybe use in their lockers. They also had like army pattern, so like, you know, the army green pattern, and I think that was it. I think those were the main two that they had. All right, so continuing right along, I am saving my favorite item for the very end, but for fall, this is all I grabbed today, guys. Like I said, they didn't have a lot. Even their floral, it was a lot of I find Dollar Tree has two types of floral. They got floral that looks really super nice and expensive, and then they've got the stuff that just looks really cheap, and I feel like that's what they had today. It was mainly the stuff that just looks really cheap. So I'm gonna wait for them to come out with some of their other floral that I know they have, but I thought these decorative bows were super beautiful. These were my favorite, and I'm going to use these for a DIY. So I picked up this. I'm also going to insert a clip right now of some of the glass pumpkins that they had. They were so beautiful. There wasn't a lot left, but I'm going to wait to see if they come out with some more of the cream colored ones that I really love. But I'm showing you right here some of the ones that they did have. The one at the very top that's like the multicolored brown, I loved. I contemplated getting it, but I didn't. So I will be going back again soon. So I grabbed that. I have no plan for this right now, but I feel like this is a really great staple to have in any crafter's, you know, craft box. So this is a wreath form. So it's just the metal wiring to make a wreath, and I just thought that would be great to have. I will either use this for fall or I'll use it for Christmas time. All right, guys, my last two items. Well, first off, I picked up some paintbrushes. I just really like having these paintbrushes on hand. You get 5 of them. And my favorite item of the week, guys, is as simple as this, chalkboard paint. So I've been probably like stocking their chalk paint for months. I would say probably the last year, and they always have chalk paint, but it's always colored chalk paint. So they have like yellow, red, blue, gray, but they never have the black. And today they had the black. I almost bought all of them, but I was like, that's just crazy. If I'm gonna buy them all, I might as well just go out and buy a big bottle at Walmart. So I picked up these 2 little bottles, and yes, they are black. I don't know if the lighting is showing that, but they are black, and I'm super excited that they finally got the black chalkboard paint in. You know, sometimes you just need a little bottle, so you don't always need a big bottle. So I grabbed 2 of those for a DIY that I'm going to have very soon for fall. All right, guys, so I'm adding this on to the very end of the video you were just watching, which is why there's a different background, but I did a second Dollar Tree and found a few more items I wanted to share, starting off with these really adorable kids cutlery. So fork and spoon, and what I love about these is they were $1 at the Dollar Tree, but these are name brands. So first we have the Disney, and this is the Beauty and the Beast cutlery set. So we all know Disney, they probably retail for $6, if not more. And then they had a Paw Patrol, and they do have boy as well. So the boys was in blue. I obviously picked up the girls. So those 2 items right there that I thought were just a phenomenal deal. And then I also thought these were so cute for fall. So a pair of oven mitts. And it says Faith, Family, and Friends, and I loved these colors for fall, but also because these colors really do match my decor in my kitchen. So I'm sorry for the lighting. This is a kind of like a turquoise, I guess, because it's not really a blue, it's more of like a turquoise, almost like the background. This is a pillowcase, so almost like the same color. And I got matching towels. So these are dish towels. How fun is that, Faith Family? and friends. So I got 2 of these dish towels, and then really randomly, just a box of tissues. I wouldn't normally buy this kind of stuff from the dollar store or Dollar Tree, because I find it's not always the best quality, but this was 2-ply, and I won't get anything less than 2-ply or 3-ply. So grabbed a box of tissue, and it's 175 count. They do also have the smaller boxes, but the count was only like 85, I think it was. So I grabbed that as well. And then a new find are these, oh my goodness, they're so delicious. I've already opened them and tasted them. So these are Hershey cookies and caramel. I'm going to insert a clip right here. These retail for over $5 on Amazon, and I got these at the Dollar Tree. So milk chocolate bars with shortbread cookie bits and caramel, and you get 7 inside. They are individually wrapped. This is what it looks like. Nice little treat. I don't know about you guys, but I'm starting to notice Dollar Tree getting a lot of name brand foods lately. So grabbed one of these, so delicious. All right, and then I grabbed this planner here, super cute. They had lots of different designs to choose from, and this is really just a simple calendar spread. So every single page is just a calendar, which is exactly what I needed. If you guys follow me, you know I have an obsession with planners and notebooks. So grab this really pretty planner. So this was a different Dollar Tree from the first half of this video, and I found this sign that says welcome to our patch, and it's a pretty big sign with a stake at the end, and I'm going to be using this for a DIY that I'm going to do really soon. So I grabbed that, and then I did end up picking up some floral from this Dollar Tree. I really like these ones that look like, I don't know what material you would call this, but I really like this material. So I picked up these 3. I love this one here. This one is called Coneflower. I love this one. This is probably one of my favorite falls. I just love the color. And this one, oh, it's a sunflower. Yes, I should have known that. And then here, oops. So I picked up those 3. I might need more for my DIY. I'm not too sure yet. And then lastly, I got another pumpkin. They only had this one left. I'm sure they're going to come out with more, but this is one of their metal pumpkins. They're super heavy. It would be a really great paperweight. They're so heavy with these really pretty metal leaves on them. And I loved this design. It definitely goes with the ones that I got from last year. So I grabbed this for decor. This is not a DIY. This is going to be used for decor. And that's it, guys. So that is my add-on to the haul you would have just seen. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for some more hauls coming your way, and definitely some holiday DIYs coming to you very soon. All right, guys, love and peace to you all. Have a great day. Bye.